Oh my God, Courtney.
What? It's only a day old.
Mine too. Okay.
Okay, this is what we call hotel stunting at
The day's in
Opelika, Alabama.
what?
Opelika of Alabama.
I think it's
At
Opelika.
12:58 p.m. Okay, ready? Bend over, son. Woo! Alright, here we go. 3.
Watch your head, Courtney Ann.
1. Alright, one more time.
Do a backflip.
Ooh!
Okay,
Oh
my turn.
Justin's turn.
Oh no. You're gonna break the bed, Justin.
Oh my God.
Oh my
Alright,
lord.
Mom, get up.
Other side.
Oh.
Hey, there's people in that room right next to us.
And cut.
Justin.